He's kind of being careful, eh? There we go. Yeah, you can stand on that, but careful, it has wheels. Is that fun?
Was he sheep? No. No.
Da 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 da. You'd rather play with the plastic wheel than anything else. Or just throw it around. See, he likes pushing stuff too, eh?
He wants to knock it off to play with the wheels.
Yeah, I know, eh? And then it's forgotten.